Hello students, my today's topic is FCFS disk scheduling algorithm. Let us see one example. If you see, there is one problem statement given. It says that a disk is having 200 tracks and they are numbered from 0 to 199. And the request string or the request sequence is given as 82, 170, 43, 140, 24, 16 and 190. Okay, and it says that the head start position is at track number 50, or we can say that it is at the block number 50. Let us see how do we execute this FCFS disk scheduling algorithm. So for the first time, our head is at 50. From 50, what is the first request? The first request is 82. So from 50, the head will move to 82. This is how we denote. Then from 82, which is the next request is 170. So from 82, the head moves to 170. Next is 43. So this is how we denote. So the head comes to 43. From 43, next request is 140. From 140, the request is at 24. This is not coming straight. So we'll just try to do it straight. So the head comes to 24. From 24, the next request is 16. From 16, the last request is 190. Okay, so if you see, there are the head movements from the different tracks from 50 to 82, then from 82 to 170, 170 to 43. Next is 140. From 140, the head has moved to track number 24, then 16, and from 16, the head has moved to 190. Now we have to calculate the number of head movements. Okay, for that reason what we have to do is we have to first calculate individual track movements. So 82 minus 50. The next movement is 170 minus 82. So always remember the smaller number will be subtracted from the bigger number. Okay, so 170 minus 82. Next is from 170 where the head has moved, it has moved to track number 43. So 170 minus 43. Next is 140 minus 24. So we'll just write the track movements and we'll just keep subtracting the lesser track number from the higher track number. Next calculation is, we will calculate the answers of each and every subtraction and then we will add all these answers, and that's going to be our total number of head movements for the FCFS disk scheduling algorithm. In this disk scheduling algorithm, the request will be served on the basis of first come, first serve. So if you see in this sequence, the first request is 82, then 170, then 43. In the same sequence, the request will be served. So let's calculate. 82 minus 50 is 32. So if you see, we have calculated here the entire disk movements from one track to other track, and if we have to calculate the total number of head movements, we have to add all these results, okay, all these answers. So when we add, the result is 642. In my next video, I will explain you SSDF disk scheduling algorithm. Thank you.